Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build a PowerApps quiz by using simple controls like radio button and very simple technique to build it faster. As you intelligent people out there already might have guessed correctly, we will reuse the same objects on all these screens so as to build it faster. It might not be the perfect one you are looking for, but it might help you think in the right direction to build your own. Alright, let's get started. Let me show you a quick demo on what we are going to build today. This is the welcome page. Click on start and the questions will come in. Select the options, click next, then the next question will come in. Like this, we will progress through the app. And in the final screen, the score will be displayed. Once user clicks exit, this score will get saved in an Excel, in a OneDrive Excel basically, saved online, and you can view the username, user email and the score. Now let me show you how to create this app from scratch. Once you log into PowerApps, click on create, then click on the canvas app from blank. Name the app. And click on create. We will be creating a tablet app. You will land on this screen and then we can start building our app. Rename this screen as welcome screen, and here we can add any label. We will not concentrate much on the text here, but we will concentrate more on how we can build this app. Just a simple text, welcome to PowerApps Quiz. We can increase the font size from here. We can change the color. Change the background. And then for navigating from this page to the next page, we need a button. We can name this button as start. And in this button, we have to code something on select. So once user selects this button, where it should go to some other screen. But we will create that once we add a new screen. Let's add a new screen, blank. Let's name this screen as question 1. On this screen, let's create a generic structure of question, the image and the options here. Let's insert a label here for question and an image from media here, a radio button for the options and a button to move for the next question. So to save time, let me copy paste the question here. All the questions and images are saved here just to save time. So we can copy the first question and paste it in our app like this. And we can select the image from the same folder. And for these options, there's a simple structure we can create just by let me copy paste these options from the other app just to save time. So like this you can create the radio options. It's pretty simple. As you see, all the options are popped in here. Now comes the coding part of this button. Let's name this button as next. So the coding for next button is this. I'll explain you what's written in there. This is radio 1. Let us make it as radio 1. We will navigate question 2 once we create the screen. So what it is doing here is, if the selected value in this radio control, which is named as radio 1, is Zn, then set points score. Points score is acting as a global variable here, and then the points score value plus 20. So the initial value, if the user answered Zn as the answer, the initial value of points score will get set to 20, and then it will navigate to the other screen. There is no else condition here because we don't require any else condition. There is no negative points. So let's create another screen. So for the next screen, what we will do is we will quickly duplicate this screen 4 times. Right, and the last screen will be our finish screen. So rename this screen as question 2, this screen as question 3, this screen 4, this screen as question 5. Similarly for question 2, we will copy paste the questions. Question 2, and the options. We'll copy paste the options from the other screen. All right. And here, as you see, we have to just rename this correct option and nothing more than that. And yeah, navigate option as well to question 3. So once user selects the correct answer as Istanbul here and clicks on the next, it will navigate to question 3 and reset the radio button. Reset the radio button means this value which is displayed here as options will get resetted. Right, let's move to question 3. We'll copy the options for Hadrian's Wall from here. The correct answer is England, so we will code England here. And then this will navigate to question 4, right? Let's move on to question 4. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? These are the options. We'll copy from here and paste it here. If the user answers here Pisa, then it will navigate to question 5 and score the original value, the latest value of the points score variable will get added 20 more points. So it's basically I have divided 5 questions, 100 points by 5 questions equals to 20. So 20 per question. Let's move on to question number 5. All right. What are the options? Okay, correct answer is Berlin. So we will code here Berlin, and once this is done, the navigation should go to the finish screen. Let's name it as finish. Okay. If you see, PowerApps intelligently gives that name once you start typing. So till here, if all the questions user has answered clearly, user will get the points of 100 for this points score variable. In the finish screen, what we will do is print the score of the user just by using a simple label and an exit button. Okay. Thanks for participation. Your score is, and we have to use and points score. All right. So this will display the score of the user, and here on this button we can type exit and for this exit button I'll show you what code I have used. Why this is giving an error here is we need to get a connection to the Excel, for which we have to do a write back. So let's do a connection here. Search OneDrive, select the Excel and the table and click connect. Alright, now you see that error is gone. Why? Because that connection was not existing in this app. Now we will see what this statement is doing. It's patching the table name present in that Excel IYTM with names column to user.fullname, email column from user.email, and points scored to points score variable. And then it will exit the user, which means sign off from this screen or from this app, and reset the points score to 0. Otherwise this variable will having the same value as per the last screen which is displayed here. Alright, and yes, we also need one more connection of Office 365 users to display this email and full name. Otherwise it will not get displayed. Alright, so we have added a connection of OneDrive as well as Office 365 users. Alright, it's time for testing this app. Let's go to the welcome page and click here, preview the app. Alright, so this is the first screen. Click on start. Oh, what's happened? Let us check. Okay, we haven't coded here. Navigate option. Navigate question 1. Alright, let's try it again. Click on start. It will take you to the first question. Right, we select the answer as Yan. Next, for this one let's select the wrong answer, Izmir. Where is Hadrian's Wall? England. The Leaning Tower. Oh, we didn't change the image. It's okay. Hope you guys understood how to change the image. Pisa and Brandenburg Gate. Okay, so it's showing thanks for participation, your score is 80. We have done one wrong answer, that's why it's 80. All right, now we have to write back to the Excel present in the OneDrive. So we have coded the patch function on this button. So once user clicks this one, you see these dots here, that means write back is happening. Let's go back to the Excel and boom, here is the points scored, 80 written in that Excel. Suppose if you want to take if the same user takes the quiz again, a second row will be entered here. Let's try that. Right? This time the user has answered all the correct answers and your score is 100. User's score is 100. Once user clicks on exit, you will see the dots above, which means write back is happening, and boom, it should be there. Oh, I didn't close the Excel, so that's why it happened. Let me click the exit button again. It will write back again the same score. And boom, you can see 100 is here as the second row with the same user. Alright, hope you guys understood how to develop this simple app, and it might help you for your own app, building your own app. This is again a simple application, not so complex one, but we can do a lot more interesting things with PowerApps. If you have any recommendation, I would love to hear from you. Please do post in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed this video and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks a lot and see ya.